Hello and welcome to another section in further maths. In today's lesson, we'll be continuing our explanation on dependent and independent events. We're dealing with dependent and independent events. So, but before we proceed, I would like us to take a quick review on what we did in our last lesson. Okay, welcome back. Now, let's use this question into solving this. Let's say the probability, this should be one of our questions. This should be continuation. So, is our question, let's call it question 1 for today. Now, the probability of two hunters A and B, of two hunters A and B hitting a target are, let's say, 2/9 and 4/11 respectively. 2/9 and 4/11 respectively. Now the question says find the probability that both hunters will hit the target. B, find the probability that both hunters will miss the target. And C, find the probability that at least one of them, that at least one of the hunters will hit the target. Now, these are the three possible questions we want to deal with at this point. Now, let's apply a normal knowledge on this. We said the probability of two hunters A and B hitting a target are 2/9. So, using the word respectively means A hitting the target. The probability of A hitting is 2/9, and probability of B hitting the target is 4/11. But remember what I told you in our previous lesson, that summation of probability of A of life and death will give you equals to 1. So if probability of hitting the target is 2/9, then probability of possibly missing the target becomes 1 minus 2/9. So probability of missing the target will now be, you take the LCM, 9 times 1 is 9 minus 2, which is 7/9. Probability of A hitting the target is 2/9. Probability of A missing the target is 7/9. Now you do same for B. What's the probability of B missing the target? Is 1 minus 4/11. So when you do 1 minus 4/11, you get the LCM, which is 11. So now you have 11 minus 4, which is the same thing as 7/11. Because probability of B missing is this. So we are interested in these 4 particular numbers. We are taking the 4 numbers in solving this equation, so that we know what we are actually looking for. Let's proceed. So remember, the value of our A hitting the target, A hitting the target was 2 over 9 and A missing A missing the target, we now got 7 over 9. Then probability of B, that is, this one is for hitting the target. What's on missing? B hitting the target was 4 over 11. Then missing, we got 7 over 11. Now let's start. So what's the probability of both men winning hitting the target? So that is to say, A hits the target and B also hits the target. So what we need to do, the word and symbolizes multiplication. So our first answer, probability of both men hitting the target, is A hitting the target and B, and I said it's multiplication, B hitting the target, 4 over 11. Now 2 times 4 is 8, 9 times 11 is 99. So the probability of both men hitting the target is 8 over 99. Now let's go to number 2, which is the second question. This is number 1. Now the second question says probability of both men losing the target. So if you're talking about both men losing, that is to say A lost and B lost. So A losing, the probability was 7 over 9 times B losing is 7 over 11. So 7 times 7 is 49 over 9 times 11 is 99. So it's 49 over 99. This is a probability of both men losing, while this is for both men hitting. Now the last question said at least one of them hits the target. Remember, it's different from telling us that A hits the target, B did not hit, or B hit, A did not hit. Now if they say one hit, so what that to say, what happened is that it is either the two of them, because we are talking of at least 2 of them hits the target, or that is at least A hits the target and B misses, or B was the one that hits the target and A missed out. Because they say at least one of them hits. At least means 1 and above. So it's either they both hits the target, or A hits the target and B misses, or B misses the target and remember, all symbolizes plus, and is a symbol of multiplication. Now what's the probability? Probability of both hitting the target, we got it to be probability of A and B hitting the target, we say is 2 over 9, that's A hitting the target, times B hitting the target, 4 over 11. You close it, or is plus A hitting the target is 2 over 9 times, but B will miss, 7 over 11. Remember, this is the probability of B missing, or which is plus B hitting the target, 4 over 11, and A missing the target, 7 over 9 times 7 over 9. Now this is our probability. So 2 times 4 is 8, 9 times 11 is 99, plus 2 times 7 is 14, all over 99, 9 times 11, plus 4 times 7 is 28 over 99. Now if you add this thing, taking their LCM, 99, you now have that 8 plus 14 will now give you 22. 22 plus 28 is what? Is 50. So the probability of at least one of them hitting the target is 50 over 99. So I think with this we have been able to do justice to independent and dependent probability. So to refresh your memory on what we've just discussed, take the test that will be apparent very soon on your screen. But always do well to use this question, the lesson notes on the platform for a better information on the topic we've discussed. Thank you.